In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can become an affiliate marketer if you are a complete beginner. Now, let me lay out the all sequence, all the steps that you need to take in order to start with affiliate marketing. So I started with affiliate marketing in 2017, and basically it took me 1 year to get my first affiliate commission. But in this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that you can utilize to have results faster. So the first thing is to choose your niche. For example, there are many niches that you can choose: the make money online niche, relationships. We have also the health and fitness niche. And I promote products for the make money online niche, specifically with affiliate marketing. So once you have chosen your niche, the second step is to choose a product. And here you have a variety of products that you can select. For example, if you go to clickbank.com, you're going to find a variety of niches and products that you can promote. We have also Digistore24, we have JBSU. These are called affiliate marketplaces, and it's free to create your own account, and you can start promoting those products. Now, the products that I like to promote are from private networks, because I have seen that there is basically less competition, and I can make more commissions. And also, there are many options. For example, if you speak Spanish, you can go to also affiliate marketplaces in Spanish. Now, this one, ClickBank, Dsort24, and JBSU, you can find products to promote in English. Now, one of the things that it's important to do when you are starting out with affiliate marketing is to, so first of all, once you have chosen the product, and this could be a high ticket product, that means that you can make more commissions. So these are products that the price is around $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, or even $4,000, and usually we can make around 35% to 75%. So there is a good amount or chunk of money that we can make with high ticket products. That is why I promote this type of products, because the amount of the commission that we can earn is higher. Now, there are a lot of high ticket products in the make money online niche that you can research. For example, Legendary Marketer. This is a well-known high ticket product marketer. I promote Freedom Accelerator. This is another high ticket product. So these are high ticket. Another thing that we can promote is software. And I like to promote software as well because we can make recurring commissions. As you can see, we have like a lot of options that we can select to promote as an affiliate marketer. Now, the first step is to build a sales funnel. Now, this is really important because once you have your sales funnel, or also this is called the 24/7 sales system. So basically, this system is going to make you earn commissions while you are asleep because you have a website or a simple page that collects emails, and once you have that information, the software that you choose, and there are many options, for example, get response, the funnel freedom data, click funnels, these softwares are going to send emails automatically, and inside of the emails you're going to promote your affiliate products. So basically, you have here an opt-in page that is going to help you collect an email, and you need to send traffic to this opt-in page, and you can use to type paid traffic or free traffic strategies. Now, free traffic strategies are, for example, when you have a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, Instagram, or you can use Facebook, Pinterest, and you can drive traffic to your own system by creating content. And paid traffic is when you pay, for example, Google, Facebook, or TikTok ads. Now, here, this is the link of your affiliate offer. And we build this opt-in page, which basically have here like little boxes, so people can put here their name and their email, a good headline, and also a picture, or it could be a video. And once you have collected that information, the software or the tool that you use to collect emails is going to redirect those people to your affiliate offer. And if that people buys from your affiliate link, you can make a commission. But remember that not all the people are going to buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to send emails. Once you have collected, once you have collected the lead, you can send emails, and inside of the emails, you can put, you can write valuable information and also put your affiliate links. And that is how you can create a 24/7 sales system that is going to help you collect emails. Now, it's important to work on the traffic part. So if you don't want to pay for ads because it's like a kind of risky, right? You can start creating content. And that is the most powerful thing you can do starting today. For example, create a YouTube channel and start like recording videos about the things you like. For example, you can start a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, and start recording videos. For example, if you like computers and laptops, you can start talking about that topic. Or if you want, for example, to document your own journey. So in my case, I started a TikTok account and start to document my whole journey with the system Freedom Accelerator. And it took me a while to start getting commissions, but I did it. And that is one of the most important things you need to know, that it takes time to start getting results. Now, on the traffic part, you can use YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Google. And for example, I think that you can start, for example, with YouTube, TikTok, and if you have Facebook, so Facebook Reels, and start creating short form videos of 30 seconds or 50 seconds, talking about the things you like. And one important thing, if you want to become an affiliate marketer, is that there is a software, the name is Funnel Freedom, which I tested before I start promoting it, and I got my first commission in less than 30 days. Now, this software is going to help affiliate marketers to start an affiliate marketing journey or a affiliate marketing business because it has integrated inside of this tool an ecosystem of products. So basically this software has the opt-in page. It has also a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email. For example, it could be an ebook or a report or a free course. So in this case, it has a free course that I didn't create, and I'm using that free course to collect emails. And once you collect the emails, the software redirects those people to your affiliate link, which in this case is a product. The name is the 72-hour challenge, which is a training about how to start affiliate marketing, and then it has set up, I think, between 60 or 90 emails ready to be sent to your subscribers. So the only thing you need to do is work on the traffic part, and the software does all the work. And I got results in less than 30 days. And if you want to get access, for example, if you don't know how to build this system, you can utilize this software funded from Data.io to promote multiple affiliate products. Now, the only thing you need to do is to copy and paste your affiliate links. And you need to go to the websites, copy your affiliate link, and paste it. And I think there are right now like 10 or 12 products. So one of those products are the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator. Also, it has Legendary Marketer. There is another high-ticket product, Wealth Warriors. Also, it has Get Response, which is for email marketing. It has System Data.io, which is for funnel to build sales funnels. And you can go to those websites, copy your affiliate link, paste it inside of this software, start utilizing the 24/7 sales system that is inside of this tool, and the only thing you need to do is start driving traffic to this opt-in page. And I got the results, and this is a brand new software that Jonathan is going to launch on November 17th. November 27th. And if you want to get access, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you can start testing this tool for affiliate marketers that want to accelerate their results. Now, it's important for you to know that you need to take action to drive traffic, because if you don't do that, it's going to be really hard to make commissions. But if you want to get access, you can click the link in the description. If you have any questions about this video, you can write in the comments below, and like and subscribe. God bless.